delicate, special like the love we know. My fragile heart beats, at times secure, in times alone. My first treasure took me years to find. It's what I cling to when confusion clouds my mind. When you come to me and you smile, suddenly I feel as if everything's okay. Lost in your smile, all at once I'm swept away. When trouble falls upon me like rain, when the world becomes what they call a lonely place, you carry me through. From dreary skies the sun breaks through. When you're feeling lost and don't know what to do, just look and see me calling out to you. And when you're shaking from wind to wind upon your face, I'll hurry towards you, I'll warm you up with an embrace. Baby, you can count on me, always and forever, lost and right next to you. Come with me, I know it's worth to see it through. Love can be a delicate thing. True love has a power that's infinitely real, locking the heart with true emotions that you feel. La 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 When trouble falls upon me like rain, when the world becomes what they call a lonely place, you carry me through. From dreary skies the sun